Where do the hopes lie?
The hopes lie, in fact, first of all, in a very serious realization of what's happening today. The world leadership must get together, must take these things on and confront them and make a united policy for the betterment of future of humanity and for the safety and survival of human race. It is highly essential that all the advanced countries in particular should revise their policy of their relationship with youth and of their attitude to the so-called liberty. You know, in America, for instance, in the name of liberty, those people who are law-abiding and innocent, they are deprived of their right to live peacefully. And criminals are protected more and more. The result is that mafias came to be sprung up in America, which have become so powerful that because legal rights are defended in a manner that they are beyond the reach of law. The result is that, as you know, a whole war is now being declared, rather too late in America, against a type of mafia. But everywhere the responsibility is on the rampant and things are going from bad to worse. The situation is very serious. First of all, we must appraise the situation correctly and show a will to resolve these problems together jointly.
I see. Thank you so much.